Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at example number 5 of a problem involving indices. Now evaluate 1/27 power negative 3 times 81 power negative 1. Now at this first part will apply this law of indices that are x over y raised to negative n, which is y over x raised to n. Then this second part will apply this law. X raised to negative n is equals to 1 over x power n. Now solution. Now starting the first part, our x is 1 and our y is 27. Then n is negative 3. So when you apply this law, our y is 27, so it will be 27 over 1, then power n, which is 3, times. Now when you apply this law in the second part, we'll have 1 over 81 raised to 1. So 27 cubic is 27 times 27 times 27, then times 1 over 81. So 27 cubic is 19,683 times 1 over 81. So when we simplify this, we'll get 243